Hello guys, welcome to Market Guru, Tradewell by Pixie. I am Raghu, and let's discuss about weekly update for the Nifty and Bank Nifty, which is for tomorrow and next week. Cool. So last time, whatever we discussed for Nifty and Bank Nifty, exactly both index followed our levels, and market was in a particular range where we took very good. Trades. Now observing in Nifty. So before I start the video, please subscribe the channel and please hit like button and link is updated in description where you can join our classes through our own app. Secondly, you can join through Rigi for our personal trades. There are different channels like if you wish to take only Nifty and Bank Nifty trades and you wish to take only swing trades of weekly analysis, that also you can do. And sure short, you can make around 10 to 12% in a week. That is how we take a swing trades. Cool. Let's start the video. In a weekly time frame, what I am seeing is in a trend line analysis here. So what is happening here currently in this particular zone? Nifty was forming a trend line here, and Nifty broke the trend line last week, what we were discussing. Now if I am seeing in a weekly time frame, what I can see here in a weekly time frame, there is still chances are upside in this weekly time frame. So let me change the time frame to a daily where we wanted to trade a good opportunity in this particular zone. Now the question is that whether Nifty will hold these levels or not. See, if you are observing the last two sessions, we had amazing sell off due to one is RBI policy, second is China and Taiwan political or geographical issues. So because of this, right now global markets, if you are seeing sentimental, is still in a confusion state where we don't know exactly what will happen in next week. But yeah, hopes are there to see a better targets and better numbers here, because if any bounce back should happen as per the chartically, whatever I am seeing a chartically analysis like technical analysis, market Nifty has to come to this particular place and take the bounce. So my first target would be for this week is sustaining this particular level above 17,416. Then we can see a first target of around 613, and it is very small targets because it is very narrow range. So once breaking this particular zone, which is 17,881, then we can see a further upside target of 18,000 and 18,200 is a final resistance. What we can see, breaking this, we can see further upside momentum, which I don't want to tell you right now. So if market is bearish, the below this particular zone only we will short the market around 17,376, and below that what we can see below targets are for the weeks are 17,100 back, and breaking that particular zone we can see further downside till 17,000. Below that we will see a gap filling activity somewhere here 16,923, and below that we can see 16,769. This is a maximum downfall what we can see in a weekly analysis. When I'm seeing a daily time frame, which we need to trade for daily, where Monday to Friday, what we can see, these are the particular levels what you need to follow. With the same particular levels, if you are observing level to level, if you play, I am sure that you can you will not miss any trades. Example, see last week also, last trading session also, exactly pin to pin market came to this particular zone and took a drop and took a support at this particular zone, which is again 17,181. From there again it took a bounce. Again Friday session, you can see market was in a range bound in this particular zone. Now breaking this will cross this, breaking this will cross this. So breaking below 17,369, then you can see directly 17,191. This is the rally what we can expect. In between, I'll want to draw one small resistance here, which is 17,259, which is for a intra-day. Coming to, let's see Bank Nifty, how Bank Nifty will behave in a weekly chart and daily chart. So if I'm opening a weekly chart in a Bank Nifty, then we can see right now I don't want to see any option chain data or option specific data, because Friday was a very fresh week for entire market, and we don't want to see any data here because data will not work now, because F&O data is also confusing, and especially this political issue what is right now happening through two countries, which is China and Taiwan, where we don't know what exactly will take into the place. So coming to this particular zone, when in a weekly time frame, if you are seeing a bank nifty broke important resistance here. This is a trend line break happen, and there is a upside momentum, and currently bank nifty is holding this particular level. So upside momentum, what we can see, the first target of 38 831, and second target what we can see is further is 39 276. Bill above this market will fly for sure, which is above 39 276 and 626. Above that we can see further upside momentum. But yeah, right now market conditions are wrong. So if any bounce back should happen, it has to try a smaller time frame at the downside level. So this is the level 37,718. Below that we can see a further small dip till 37,432. Below that market should test this particular zone to take any bounce. So let's see what is happening in a daily time frame. If you are observing in a daily time frame again, it is very tight trading numbers what we are getting here. This is a daily candle, and in a daily candle exactly in this particular zone market is trying to sustain. Let's see what is happening in a intraday levels. What is happening in intraday level, where we can take some of the trades on Monday to Friday. So we will only buy bank nifty above this particular zone, which is 147, and above that we can see this first target is already mentioned in a weekly time frame, and second target what we can see currently, second target is very big, because after that there is no particular resistance or support. So below this particular zone, which is 873, we can short the market for a small target of 818, and below that we can see further downfall till this particular swing. So below this particular zone, which is 435, then we can see a further sell pressure till 257, and the last resistance of this, which is 37,058. Below this we can see again this trend line retest will happen. So I don't think so that this will happen so fast, so we have to see particular range. But going above this we can see further big upside momentum for coming week. So that's all guys, this is how the weekly analysis worked here. So please save this numbers, save this chart analysis, and I am sharing this chart in my premium groups and my telegram group, where people can join and understand the levels and play with level to level only. Cool guys, that's all for now, and we'll catch up again tomorrow. I am planning to put daily analysis videos from this week because I'm trading from home. Cool guys, thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.